back at the city house and we're packing. We've almost got everything packed up. I thought I would show you what we're leaving so you understand. This is quite a jump. This is quite an adventure, as my husband says. So stay tuned. Here we go. So this is our living room that we are leaving. I think our whole RV will fit in here. Goodbye to my big kitchen, my big pantry. Oh. So, look at this big refrigerator. Now I'm going to 8 cubic feet. Little tiny RV. And our bedrooms. Look at this nice big shower I'm leaving. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh man, the conveniences of a full-size washer and dryer. That's okay. We're gonna be completely debt-free. It'll be all worth it. All right, I'm gonna show you the hardest part. Okay, hold on. I have to take part of this. Even though it's super tiny, this was like the most beautiful backyard. I have to take some black-eyed Susans with me because that's my favorite flower. Our fire pit. This was a waterfall. And this was Harper's play set, and I'm still trying to convince Dwayne to take it down and move it with us. So we'll see. Look at the Virginia creeper. We planted that and it's finally taken off just in time for us to move. Had a whole strawberry patch. I won't miss the fireweed that planted itself. So, all right. Oh yes, by the way, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, so this is the no makeup, no hair day. This is the moving attire. Check out the moving attire, the movie look. Oh, did I say movie? I meant movie. Ah, it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be quite the adventure. All right, I think I look just beautiful, don't I? Yes, don't be jealous because you can't pull this look off at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now we're going into Dwayne's domain. This is what he's leaving.
Dad's garage.
Dad's garage.
Dad, yes.
So this is the normal garage part. You would think high ceilings.
Everything out.
Oh man. So now I have to come down because you guys have to appreciate. This has an RV. Look, this is the RV side. So there's a loft up there. This is, how big is this? 45 feet long by...
No. It's 16 by 40.
16 by 40.
Yeah, it is 16 by 45. You're right.
16 by 45?
Yep.
All right, so we're going up. The price you pay to be debt-free. So this is a pool table with a ping pong that we're gonna leave behind for the new owners because it's too heavy to move. And isn't this awesome? We'll probably never have anything like this again, but we will be completely debt-free so we can enjoy life to the fullest. Oh, look at all I did with my Cricut. I forgot about this. All right. Letting go of the old to embrace the new adventures. The things that tied us to debt and limited our freedom, and we're gonna let go of all of it so we can be debt-free and then live more life, have actual adventures, be able to really go and do things, to be able to afford to take our whole family out for dinner, for example, or make better memories. And instead of collecting stuff, we'll make memories, because life is short, and focus on what's important. That's what we're gonna do. So God gave us only a certain amount of days on this earth. You never know when your time is gonna come. So our goal is to leave a legacy, and hopefully this legacy points to Christ, points to really good memories. So now we're gonna be able to do that. So stay tuned and follow us along on our journey or our adventure.